Hello YouTube, this is Mark from PhoneSmith and today we'll be doing a live unboxing video on the iPhone XS and the XS Max. So please stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Lit. Hello YouTube, this is Mark from PhoneSmith. Today we'll be doing a live unboxing on the iPhone XS and the XS Max. Both of these phones will be shipped off September 21st, 2018. But before that, let's get right into the unboxing of the iPhone XS. So here we got our manual, which comes with every iPhone box, which we don't ever read. And also, it's the beautiful, elegant iPhone XS itself with the glossy back finish. I think this was the black version. After that, we have our charging adapters and the charging adapter cord, and also the headphones. And like I said, this is just like a traditional iPhone unboxing because it comes with everything. And if you guys are expecting AirPods, better wish next time, because Apple's not gonna be that sweet, I am telling you. Okay, there goes the beautiful iPhone XS, and it comes to us today with a 5.8-inch screen, which introduces a new screen called Super Retina OLED, which is powered by the A12 Bionic Chip. Also, we have something called Smart HDR, which Apple has introduced into this iPhone XS. But before I say that, guys, let me show you one or two things more. The iPhone XS also lasts 30 minutes longer on battery life than the iPhone X. And we have stereo speakers now, meaning that we won't need a Bluetooth speaker anymore because the phone can do it all by itself. And that, to you guys, it's crazy. It's ridiculous because now we have stereo speakers. We can listen to music louder instead of always trying to put on headphones, and we could actually let people know what we're listening to. Let's jump to the iPhone XS Max. Just like the iPhone XS, everything is almost the same. The only difference is the screen size, and this one has a double back camera and a double front camera. But the iPhone XS has that as well. Okay, so basically the unboxing on this one is very similar. Manual, charging adapters, charging block, and the headphones. Don't ever forget the headphones. I know you guys love your headphones. Also, the XS and the XS Max do support something called Gigabyte LTE, which is improved LTE speeds, which Apple has overthought about helping the carrier and the Apple user. And also in the video right now, I'm going to compare it to an iPhone 6 Plus because they're very similar in size, so you guys can relate to it. If you guys have iPhone 6 Plus, the screen is it's like an iPhone X, so you get more of the screen feel because the iPhone 6 Plus has a box. Basically, it's closed in. You don't really get the whole screen, but the iPhone XS, basically the entire front display is a screen itself. So with that being said, on the battery life on the iPhone XS, and the XS Max, it is said that it will have 90 minutes longer battery life than the iPhone X itself. After that being said, you have stereo speakers built into this device also, which means, again, you can blast music. Still, the iPhone XS Max still have yet to get a headphone jack, but we all know Apple, they're not ever going back to that. Also, as you can see, they both look similar. The iPhone XS Max is just glossy and, looks like a fresh spaceship off of Star Wars. But besides that, guys, this is the final cut of the unboxing. I will have a more in-depth video tomorrow, Friday, September 21st, as I will have the iPhone XS and the XS Max in my hand. But guys, again, please like, comment, and subscribe. PhoneSmith.